Ay, it's very hot me.
Very good.
Yeah, what's the weather in there? Here it's very hot, even though it's afternoon already.
Um,
Very hot. Okay, how are you, May?
I'm fine.
Okay, wait, anak. Wait, me, ha? Na. Okay, anak. Kaya init ka dyan. Sama ka dyan. Ito, sa kayo. Ayun, direct. Copper! Uy! Wadi mo! Kasi boss! Hindi ka pen. Kasi, bawa ikaw, ikaw. Ano? Gawas na, din. Yeah. Gawan. Okay, let's go for the handle. Okay, because the dog Jillian is making a project here. I will take a pictures and I will send it to you, huh?
Mm-hmm. I see. I see a teach. I see Julian.
See Jillian? Yeah, Jillian is making project. But the dog keeps on walking over it. One. Enak deh. Pegang aja dulu deh. Tapi ya jangan. Down the window. Window. Okay. So I will share to you now. How are you today, Ngi?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Okay, we had class. We have class with Tono this morning. And again, Tono's computer is very dark. I cannot see Tono.
Mm-hmm.
It becomes very dark now. I don't know what happened. Okay. So today our topic is it's about traveling. Okay, look at the pictures here. It's very nice, right? Can you see? It's a
Yeah.
very nice one. So relaxing and it feels really, really nice me. Okay, so have you thought that? Okay, so this is but it's so scary. It's beautiful, but of course it's so scary. I think this is a very deep.
I think the rock is so big.
Oh yeah. Is it rock or
The
probably
rock. The rock.
this is a building that was been broken and then there's some rock in here. Okay, but it's quite dangerous, right? Okay.
What?
It's dangerous. Look at this one.
That is
So we have
dangerous.
here ni museum. Okay, this one. We have concert. Also many people and vacations. They are having their vacationing. Next, we have the grammar. Past simple. Oh, you know this already. Very, very easy for you. Past simple. Okay, so when you say past simple, of course, it indicated past action, right? Okay, so we have to be and the verbs. To be or the be verbs, these are the was and were, since we are talking past tense. If it's negative, was not or were not. If it is questions, okay, was there any? were there any, like that. Okay, this is the be verb. Okay, so when you say verbs, these are the action words. Okay, like when, of course, you will add ed, like she worked yesterday. Okay, she didn't work yesterday. For negative, always remember when you see this sign, it's negative me. It's negative sign, right? When you see this sign, it's negative. Okay. Did she work yesterday? You're asking questions. Yes, she did. Okay. So we have here different. Okay, look at that. Different base form, past simple, and past participle. Please check that one. Okay, you look at properly. I will
I
send
knew
this.
it.
This
I knew
very
it.
nice.
I knew it.
Uh, I will send this in your chat box. I mean,
What's
yeah,
that about?
I know in the Zelo. I will send this in the Zelo.
Okay.
Yeah, wait, huh? Okay, a minute. I will send this in the G.
The verb.
Yeah,
Now I have this. I have many.
you have many.
The irregular verb.
Yeah, 50 most. This most common. It's
Now
only
I
the
have.
most common.
I have irregular verb. Wait me, please.
Okay, so these are the most common.
I have this regular verb like
You
this.
have? Oh, wow,
Mm.
so many. Oh, so many regular verbs. Okay?
My father bought irregular verbs for me.
Okay, so you are okay with the regular verbs. That's okay
Mm-hmm.
for you. Okay. So we have here. So we have choose the correct answer. Please write the correct answer. Just encircle the correct answer in it. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Order.
I'm gonna
Ah, yellow green. Yellow green kaya attract.
teacher.
Mm-hmm.
You have you have Julian for project.
Yes, this one. She is making the project.
What did she do for?
You try to search the periodic
About
table.
is about.
Periodic table of
Huh?
elements in science. Periodic, this one. I will type. Check making the. It's in science. It's the big.
Her periodic table of elements.
Periodic
Oh.
table of elements. Okay, so they didn't touch, correct. My sister came home, correct, past tense. My father was tired when I got home. What did you do? Very good. Where did your family go? Oh, very good. Remember that did and go always go with each other. Correct. Wow. Okay. So here, please listen the conversation about traveling. I sorry.
Teacher, after the video, can I see the script?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Hello, Dr. Anderson. Welcome back.
Thank you very much.
How was your trip to London?
It was fine, thank you.
Did you visit lots of museums?
No, I didn't visit any.
Did you eat in some good restaurants?
No, I ate in the same bad restaurant every day.
Did you see any plays or concerts?
No, but I watched TV in the hotel room at night.
Did you take some nice walks around London?
Actually, no. I sat in a chair for 4 days.
Dr. Anderson, that doesn't sound like a very nice vacation.
Vacation? I went to London for business, not for vacation. I met doctors from all over the world. We talked about new medicines, and I gave 2 speeches. I always ate at the hotel restaurant, so I actually never left the hotel.
But, Dr. Anderson, you were in London and you didn't see the city.
No, but it looked nice from the airplane.
Okay. You want to see the
Yeah.
script?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Please study the script.
Mm-hmm. Teacher,
Yes.
teacher,
Mm.
can I Mary and you are the Dr. Anderson, okay?
Yeah, of course. Okay. I am Marie. You are Marie?
Yes.
And I am the...
Dr. Anderson.
Okay, go. Okay. Marie.
Okay. Well,
Oh,
hello,
ready?
hello, Dr. Anderson. Welcome back.
Thank you very much.
How was your trip to London?
It was fine. Thank you.
Did you visit lots of museums?
No, I didn't visit any.
Did you eat in some good restaurants?
No, I eat in the same bad restaurant every day.
Did you see any place of concert?
Mm-hmm. No, but I watch TV in the hotel room at night.
Did you take some nice walks around London?
Actually, no. I sat in a chair for 4 days.
Mr. Anderson, that doesn't sound like a very nice vacation.
Vacations? I went to London for business, not for vacations. I met doctors from all over the world. We talked about new medicines, and I gave 2 speeches. I always ate at the hotel restaurant, so I actually never left the hotel.
But Dr. Anderson, you were in London and you didn't see the city.
No, but it looked nice from the airplane. Oh. So what do you think they're talking about?
They are talking about London
They're talking about,
and the Anderson Street in London.
they are talking about London. Okay. And do you think Dr. Anderson enjoy her trip?
Hmm?
Do you think that she enjoyed the trip?
Yes.
Okay. So what did she do in London?
Um, she um she met doctors from all over the world. Um, she talked about new medicines and gave 2 speeches. And
Okay.
uh,
And
she
what
always
else?
ate at the hotel restaurant.
She always at the Hotel, restaurant. Okay. So actually, Dr. Anderson didn't go to London for pleasure. She went to London for work. Okay, for work. She went to London for work, not for pleasure. Okay. And Mary is asking, you were in London and you didn't see the city. Oh, see? So it means Dr. Anderson did not go around the city. Okay. So how about the food that they eat? Okay. Did Dr. Anderson eat good restaurant?
Teacher,
Mm-hmm.
teacher, I have a Cambridge flyers.
Yeah, really?
A certificate. I will show you, okay?
Okay, go.
And tonight I will send the photo, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. This teacher.
Ah, wow. Okay. You have that one. You have flyers already. That's very good. Okay, by the way, what exam did you take the last time? It's flyers, right?
What?
What exam did you take the last time? You had flyers?
Yes.
Okay.
But teacher, I
Mhm.
this speaking
Yeah.
listening.
Yes. Okay. It is
And
nice.
and I have them. And teacher, I have a medal.
Let me see. What medal is that?
I will show you. Okay.
Wow, it's very nice. What medal is it?
Um, a flyer for successful completion of flyers.
Wow. So you completed your flyers. That's
Mhm.
very nice. Wow, neat. And
And one day I will have a cat and then a pet.
yeah, cat first. Cat first.
Yeah,
You
cat
tell
first.
teacher, you tell teacher and if ever you were gonna have to take exam for cat. Okay? You tell me so that we can do review again. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So let's move. Okay, let us have this. Did you understand the story?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So here, we have here tasks. We have here questions. You write your answer in the chat box. Okay, six questions only. If you think you cannot understand or it's not that well, okay, please tell teacher, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yan. Papilit na itong mga ito. Kumana ka? Papilit na itong mga ito. Kung sa mga giling, kanang space, amo nga nagkadong kuan? Yan yun?
Teacher, can I see the script?
Oh, you take a pictures of the script. Do you have cell phone with you?
No.
Oh, look at the script. I will screenshot and put it in Zelo. It's okay? You want or
Huh?
no?
What? What?
I will take a screenshot and write in Zelo or no?
Okay, run the Zello, okay? You
Yeah.
send me.
Wait me, ha? Okay, that one. Okay, wait ha. I will share the screen.
Mhm.
Okay, that one. Okay, you tell me if you're okay, okay?
I have finished, teacher. Teacher,
Yeah, okay?
Teacher,
So,
I think I will send your picture, okay?
okay. Where's the picture?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, so we have here. What did her feeling about the trip? What did her feeling about the trip? Okay, answer.
In
Wait
chat
me.
box.
Yeah, wait, I cannot check the only what happened to the chat box. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so the chat box says she felt fine. Okay, the doctors felt fine. Did she go to any museum? Hmm.
No, he didn't.
Okay, no, she.
Didn't.
No, tulong. By three. Wait, three.
Teacher,
Okay,
can you see
no,
the photo?
no, she didn't. Wait,
Teacher,
ha.
can you see the photo?
Wait me. Who is this?
Me!
Oh, when? Where?
On Monday.
Cambridge Flyer. I will check on. Wow, this is your friend.
Mm-hmm. That's me, teacher.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's you. Hey.
And tonight I will send you other picture.
What picture is that?
I can remember that.
Wow, I will post it in my story.
Hmm?
I'll post it in Zelo. Okay. Yeah, you received. You received the award.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, wait me, huh?
Tonight I will send you other.
Okay. When did it happen? When?
On Monday.
Okay. Okay. Last Monday?
Yes, on last Monday.
Yeah, okay. I will post it here. So the recognition. So because he passed. How about Tono? Tono did not take it yet.
No.
That's why Tono's mom said that Tono is not like me. Okay?
Yes.
Now, so number 3 or number 4, number 4. 3. What does Dr. Anderson think about the restaurant she eats at every day? Oh, it's
It's
bad.
bad. It's
Oh,
bad.
what did you eat? It's bad. What did you eat?
A snack.
Oh, the stocks. What's that? Oh, star. It's chips.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's a chip.
Why did
Like,
she sit in a chair for 4 days? Why did she sit on a chair for 4 days?
because she went to London for business.
Okay, she went to London for business. Okay, next. Who did Dr. Anderson meet in London and what was the subject of their conversation?
She met doctor, and the subject of conversation is new medicine.
Okay, they are talking about medicine. Okay, very good. So this one. Okay, so here, which of these have ever happened on vacations? Check your answer and compare them with a partner. Okay, so which do you think? Can you check which do you think are mostly happen on vacations?
Okay.
Hey, wait.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, yeah, you missed the flight. Okay, that's always. Okay, someone stole your money, you lost your wallet, you lost your passport, your bags didn't arrive, or you got sick, or you ran out of money. So most likely, there are some cases that truly this will happen. Okay, so of course, when you miss the flight, how to solve this problem? Of course, you have to go to the airport early, right? So,
Mm-hmm, yeah.
of course, example, your trip is 6 p.m. So, it is advisable if it is international flight, you have to be there at what time? So, it is 4
Teacher,
hours.
what kind of airport did you fly? Me is Vietnam Airlines.
Vietnam. What kind of airlines? Ours is Philippine Airlines.
Oh,
Yeah,
me is Vietnam Airlines.
yeah, because you're from Vietnam. Mine is Philippine Airlines, Cebu Pacific, and uh, Air Asia, Philippines, like that. So that's three. That's the three airlines in our country. Okay, the owner of the airlines is very rich. Okay. So what else? Okay. So when someone stole your money, of course, you have to take care of your money. Do not put your bag anywhere. So you have to bring your bag wherever you go. Like if you go to the CR, to the comfort room, you have to bring your bag all along with you. Then
Yes.
lost your ticket, wallet. Oh my God. So you have to put your wallet in the bag. Do not put it anywhere. How about teacher? If I lost my passport. Oh, losing passport, that's already a sign of, okay, a sign of carelessness. So since you know that passport is very important, you have to take it with you. Okay. Your bags didn't arrive. Okay. Your bags didn't arrive. What will you do? Of course, you have to go to the information center and you ask, where is my bag? Why it's not, why it didn't arrive? So you have to ask that one. Okay. So you got sick. Oh my God. You are in the airport and you get sick, so you don't have any choice but to, okay, go already ride the plane. Okay, but what if you have COVID? Of course, if you have coronavirus, okay, my God, you cannot proceed. Okay, you cannot proceed. Okay. And how about teacher if I run out of money? If you travel, you have to prepare money for your travel. That's very important. Okay, so this one, let us listen. Okay, this one, Shields, dapat 15 na po. Iyon sa lights.
Unit 24. Travel. Page 94. 2. Let's listen. Cindy is talking about her vacation. Listen and number the pictures.
So, how was your trip to San Francisco, Cindy?
Oh, pretty good, mostly.
Mostly?
Yeah, it started off okay. I did all the usual things. You know, I took a ride on the cable car. That was fun.
I know, I love the cable cars.
Then I looked around Chinatown. The food there is terrific.
Yeah.
Anyway, on my second day, I decided to rent a car. I wanted to get out of the city and look around.
Were you on your own?
Uh-huh. So, first I drove across the Golden Gate Bridge and stopped to take some photos. Then I decided to drive out to Napa Valley.
Napa Valley?
Yeah, that's where they grow grapes to make wine. It's really beautiful. All green, great vineyards. Unfortunately, while I was driving, I had a slight accident.
Oh no, were you hurt?
No, but it was awful. I had to leave the car and take a taxi all the way back to the hotel. It cost me an arm and a leg.
Oh no, what a vacation.
Putang sa line lagi, oh. Okay? One more?
Mm-hmm.
Unit 24. Travel. Page 94. 2. Let's listen. Cindy is talking about her vacation. Listen and number the pictures.
So, how was your trip to San Francisco, Cindy?
Oh, pretty good, mostly.
Mostly?
Yeah, it started off okay. I did all the usual things. You know, I took a ride on the cable car. That was fun.
I know, I love the cable cars.
Then I looked around Chinatown. The food there is terrific.
Yeah.
Anyway, on my second day, I decided to rent a car. I wanted to get out of the city and look around.
Were you on your own?
Uh-huh. So, first I drove across the Golden Gate Bridge and stopped to take some photos. Then I decided to drive out to Napa Valley.
Napa Valley?
Yeah, that's where they grow grapes to make wine. It's really beautiful. All green, great vineyards. Unfortunately, while I was driving, I had a slight accident.
Oh no, were you hurt?
No, but it was awful. I had to leave the car and take a taxi all the way back to the hotel. It cost me an arm and a leg.
Oh no, what a vacation.
Hindi lang ito nga. Okay? Number 1. Okay, Tang. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You find it hard, yeah? You find it hard?
It's hard.
Okay, yeah, it's okay, it's okay. You find it hard. Okay, so we have here 1, the bus, 2, oh, it's a city, 3, it's a bridge. 4, my God, it's beautiful. What's this? It's grapes. You know, it's a trees. And this one, this is, I guess, in another country. This is literally from another country. Okay, this is not, okay, maybe this will be in Vietnam, I don't know, but I guess this one is another country. Okay, so thank you so much, Ni, for today. We will going to continue our lesson on Friday again. What time on Friday, Ni? 3 p.m. again. Okay, thank you so much, Ni, for today. God bless you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay.